guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a recipe for southern fried cabbage with sausage and potatoes. This is one of my husband's favorites, and I figured since I cook it a lot, I might as well just share the recipe with you guys. So here I have my chopped cabbage. I went ahead and washed it well and everything, and I have here some kielbasa sausage. You could use any sausage of your choice, it doesn't matter. And I have my red skin potatoes here. I went ahead and boiled these for about 10 minutes. And I have some tomatoes, garlic, I have onions, thyme. I'll be using some red and green bell peppers. I have some sazon seasoning, complete seasoning, black pepper, chicken bouillon, paprika, brown sugar, some apple cider vinegar, and Worcestershire sauce. So to get started, here I have my preheated skillet with some oil. I will now go in with the potatoes, and what I want to do here is brown the potatoes a little bit. Just give them a little char. And I did boil these in some salted water so that the potatoes will have, flavor all the way through. And we will allow these to char, and then I'll show you guys the next step. So once the potatoes have achieved a nice golden brown, we will now remove them and continue with the next step. Next, we will add our sausage and allow them to become golden brown on both sides. We'll now give them a little flip to make sure they become golden brown on the other side. So at this point, we will now add our onions, tomatoes, and our bell peppers. We will allow these to go for about 3 minutes, allowing them to soften up a bit. Now we will add our garlic and allow that to go for about 1 minute. You never want to add your garlic right away because you don't want it to burn. So we will let this go for about 1 minute, and then I'll show you the next step. So at this point, we will now go in with the cabbage. I know the pan is looking a bit small, but that's because the cabbage is in its natural form. When it wilts down a bit, it will become enough for the pan, and everything will fit. So I will try to flip this up a bit because I don't want the stuff at the bottom to burn. So I will try to, I know it will be hard because the pan is small at this point. So I'll try. And then what I'll do next is add my seasonings. Right at the top, I will add all the seasonings and the brown sugar, and then I'll sit my lid on so that the cabbage can wilt down a bit, and then I'll be able to stir it up the way I want to and add the rest of the ingredients. So now that the cabbage has wilted a bit, it becomes so much more manageable. So now we can stir this up well until everything is evenly combined. And then we will add our vinegar and our Worcestershire sauce. And lastly, we will add the potatoes. We will allow this to soften up a bit, like we'll allow the cabbage to soften up a bit. Now, some people do add like chicken broth or liquids to this, but I don't like to do that because the cabbage, it forms its own juices. Cabbage is a very watery vegetable, and you don't really need to add no liquid to this because I already boiled my potatoes ahead of time so that it would not become mushy in the dish. And that's why I don't need to add no liquid to this, and we will allow this to just simmer until the cabbage becomes a little more tender, but not to the point where it's mushy. You want it soft, but it must still have a little bit of texture to it. That's the reason also why I chopped it, you know, medium size and not too small, because I don't want the cabbage melting away in the dish. So we will allow this to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we will be ready to eat. And after about 6 minutes, I think, this is now done. And what I'll do here is just remove the thyme stems, because you don't want to bite into that when you're eating. So I'll remove those, and yeah, this is how I make a super delicious southern fried cabbage with sausage and potatoes. I will now plate this up and I'll be back with the finished product. Okay guys, so this is my take on a super delicious southern fried cabbage with sausage and potatoes. I do hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I will leave all the ingredients down in my description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!